Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video I am very excited about because we are going to be talking about our favorite topic, feminine hygiene. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some natural home remedies that are going to help you get rid of BV, UTI, and just improve your overall vaginal health. So if you would like to get some very helpful tips on feminine hygiene, BV, UTI, and a lot of those embarrassing stuff, then stay tuned for this video. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. My name is Mercy. I'm a BSN RN, and on this channel, I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging here and there, and I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button. That way, you'll never miss another video from me again. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some natural home remedies that are going to help you get rid of BV, UTI, and just improve your overall vaginal health. So first thing first, we're going to talk about BV. For those of you who have not seen a lot of my videos on this topic, it just causes a lot of problems like vaginal discharge, bad odor, a fishy smell, and it's just very embarrassing, and a lot of females suffer from this issue. So I'm doing my very best to bring you guys a lot of helpful, valuable information that is going to help you prevent and get rid of those problems. The number one natural home remedy that's going to help you get rid of BV without any antibiotic or prescriptions at all is Greek yogurt. So what Greek yogurt does is they introduce healthy bacteria into the body, hereby fighting those infections. It is also going to fight off the bad bacteria, leaving the good bacteria and helping you prevent a lot of those problems. In that line, the next thing you want to get is a probiotic. So it can be a pill form or a liquid form. Our body has bacteria. A lot of those bacteria are good for us. Some of them are bad for us. So when the amount of bacteria in our body is imbalanced, whether it's because of medication or for whatever reason, a probiotic is going to introduce a lot of healthy bacteria into your body, fighting those infections. There was a medical study done that shows that women who take probiotic were less likely to develop BV, UTIs, and other issues like that. Antibiotics are great when we have bacterial infections. Our doctors prescribe them. They're supposed to help us, but the unfortunate thing is that antibiotics sometimes cause an imbalance of bacteria in our bodies. Antibiotics are supposed to kill bacteria. They don't know whether it's good bacteria or bad bacteria. Their job is to kill bacteria. So when they go in, they kill all the bacteria, causing an imbalance in that environment. So what the probiotic is going to do is introduce a lot of healthy bacteria back into that area, hereby fighting those infections. So where can you get probiotics from? You can get probiotics from your doctors as a prescription. You can get it over the counter in some cases, and you can also get it from some drugstores. So make sure your doctor approves of the probiotic you're going to use, but probiotic is a great natural way to get rid of BV. Another great one is garlic. Garlic has a very strong antibacterial property. So consuming garlic on a regular basis is going to help you kill off a lot of those bad bacteria, leaving your body clean and fresh. So now moving on to UTIs. We talked about BV before. Now we're going to touch on UTI a little bit. Again, a lot of things can cause UTIs, whether it's from your sexual partners, some medications you're taking, some uncleanliness. A lot of things can cause you to have UTIs. Again, antibiotics are great for bacterial infections. One disclaimer I want to give you guys is if for some reason you are prescribed an antibiotic, please make sure you take the full course of your antibiotic. So if they say take it for 10 days, make sure you take it for 10 days unless you notice a problem. A lot of people very early would notice that they have a lot of problems with antibiotics because the antibiotics job again is to kill off bacteria, but they don't know any better, so they kill off the good and the bad bacteria, causing us UTIs, BVs, and other problems. So the solution to that is only take antibiotics if it is prescribed, and only take it if it is very much necessary. Okay, so another great home remedy to prevent UTI is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is great for prevention of UTI. So if you're not already consuming cranberry juice, go to your local grocery store or anywhere you can get cranberry or cranberry juice. Another great one that is going to help you prevent UTI is urinate when you have the need too. And I know this is going to sound funny because I'm a nurse, and a lot of us nurses go to work and we don't even have time to pee, and there is something called a nursing bladder where a lot of nurses go hours without peeing because they feel like the time they're going to take to pee is going to put them behind. So a lot of us have nursing bladder, but that is very, very bad for you. Holding your urine in your bladder is going to encourage bacterial growth, hereby causing UTI or sometimes even BV. So always try to urinate whenever you have the need to do so. Another great one is vitamin C. You want to make sure you're consuming enough vitamin C to help you normalize that balance in your body. So you can get vitamin C through orange juice, or you can take a vitamin C supplement. These are usually over the counter, but if for some reason you don't find it over the counter, maybe ask your doctor. They can prescribe some for you, or they'll show you where to get it. So vitamin C is very, very helpful in the prevention of UTI and BV. Last but not least, I've mentioned these few ones before, so I'm just gonna touch on them. Make sure you don't have multiple sexual partners, and if you do, make sure you're using protection. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids because fluids flushes out the body, encouraging a healthier system. Make sure you're trying your best, your absolute best, to eat as healthy as possible. Stay away from processed foods, especially foods with a lot of sugar. Bacteria love sugar, and they grow and thrive in environments with a lot of sugar. So stay away from sugar, stay away from processed foods. Try to eat as healthy as possible. I know it's not always possible, and I know it's not always affordable, but just do your best to do what you can. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this short video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification button. And guys, if this video was helpful to you guys, there's a good chance it's going to be helpful to someone else out there. So please go ahead and hit the share button so you can share it with all your friends and family. They will love you for it. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.